Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee cabin filter. This simple maintenance task improves air quality inside your vehicle. First, gather your new cabin filter and any necessary tools, typically a small screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions before beginning any work on your vehicle. Now, let's access the cabin filter. Open the passenger side door and locate the glove box. You'll need to remove all items from inside the glove box to make space for the next steps. On the right side of the glove box, you will find a small dampener arm. Gently detach this arm by pulling it away from the glove box. This allows the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing. With the dampener arm detached, gently press the sides of the glove box inward. This action releases the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down completely. You will now see the cabin filter housing, usually a rectangular plastic cover. There are typically 2 or 3 small clips holding this cover in place. Unclip these, then carefully slide the old, dirty cabin air filter straight out. Note its orientation for the new filter. Before installing the new filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This arrow must point in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the filter housing cover and secure all 2 or 3 clips. Finally, reconnect the glove box dampener arm and push the glove box back into its closed position until it clicks securely. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.